Alright, here is my SMC A52 52-inch ceiling fan. I have it hung in my garage now, so if the lighting's poor, please excuse me. But got the blades on it, and I ran it a second ago and it wobbles badly, so I'll have to look into that later. But I'll show it running regardless. So here we go. So at the moment, the only speed that it can really be run at is low. I don't know what the problem is. So, maybe someone watching this video can enlighten me. Pretty sure that at least one of the blades is out of whack, as the saying goes. So, I will check those brackets and measure them and that kind of stuff. And it's still making that sound that it made in my previous video. Putting the blades on made no difference at all. So I'll see about oiling it or whatever. But otherwise, you know, it's still a nice fan. And I'd love to get it fixed so it runs properly and then be able to use it somewhere. I mean, if somebody watching this video who happens to be particularly generous has brackets like these that are not bent and you'd be willing to donate them, that'd be great. You know, possibly. I'll see. I might be able to bend whichever one is broken or bent back into place. I don't know. If I do, I'll hang this back up and film it when it runs properly. But I kind of figured it ran like this because on the blade you can see there's tape residue from where I guess weights were taped on it. On all four blades, I guess. When this fan was hung in somebody's house before, they had the blades the other way. I like them better with the stencil side down. But they had weights taped on them, so I kind of figured it wobbled when I bought it. But that's really bad wobbling. Anyway, there you go, SMC A52.